You learned early how to stay still without freezing, how to keep your voice calm even when your chest tightened, how to feel everything and show nothing. You noticed which feelings were allowed and which ones changed the air in the room. You watched faces shift when you got too close to honesty. You felt the moment vulnerability stopped being safe and started being dangerous. So you folded yourself smaller inside, right where no one could reach. And even now, when you feel something rise, you brace. Because somewhere inside you still wonders, what happens to you when vulnerability never felt safe at all?
You didn't stop feeling. You learned to feel silently. You learned to read tension before words formed. You learned to soften your needs so they wouldn't cause impact. Your nervous system became a listening device, always scanning, always predicting. You didn't trust closeness. You trusted control. Vulnerability felt like exposure, not relief. So you built a self that could survive without asking. And that self worked. It worked so well that no one noticed what it cost you.
You became dependable, composed, self-sufficient. You learned how to be impressive without being seen. You learned how to be close without being known. When something hurt, you minimized it before anyone else could. When you needed comfort, you swallowed the need before it reached your throat. You told yourself it wasn't that bad, but your body kept the record. Every shallow breath, every tightened jaw, every moment you felt alone in the presence of others.
This wasn't a flaw. This was adaptation. You weren't broken. You were protecting something tender in an environment that couldn't hold it. Your nervous system chose survival over softness. It chose predictability over connection. And it kept you alive emotionally when openness felt unsafe. But sometimes, even now, safety feels unfamiliar. Quiet feels suspicious. Care feels conditional. And you wait for the moment it will be taken back.
You are still carrying that child who learned to stay quiet to stay safe. Still carrying the intelligence of adaptation. Still carrying the vigilance that once mattered. And maybe for the first time, you can name it without shame. You didn't fail vulnerability. Vulnerability failed you first. And nothing about the way you learned to survive needs to be erased, only understood, and finally, gently met.